Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a deep hip opener stretching session. So you need a mat for this stretching session or a soft surface like a carpet. So we are going to come down on the mat and then we will get started. So the first move is we're going to take our right leg forward and we're just going to be in this position and try to stretch. You can lift your hands up if you like. Stretch. Feel your hip flexors stretch out. Hold here. We're going to now bend forward and place your palms on either side of your foot. Hold here. Hold. Lift up your left leg. Hold. 3, 2, 1, release. What we are going to do now is take the right hand, move it inside the leg. Shift your foot out and get into a stretch. This is great for the outer hips. If you want a deeper stretch, come on down to your elbows. You'll feel your outer hips, you'll feel the deep stretch in your hips. Hold here. Hold and release. Come back onto your palms. And we are now going to walk the foot back in and bend into this stretch. We move forward, Bend into this stretch. For a deeper stretch, keep your feet parallel to the mat like this. For an easier stretch, bring them back in. Just hold here. You'll feel a deep stretch in your outer hips. Now we are going to walk our hands forward and bend. Hold. Come on back up. Release the leg. Now we are going to do the same thing on the left side. So left leg forward and just straighten. Stretch it out. Feel the release happen slowly. Again, you can lift your hands up if you like. You can keep them on your waist or you can just keep them on your knee. Feel the stretch. Feel your hips open up. Alright, now we are going to bend forward. Again, hands on either side of the foot. Stay here. And now we are going to lift the right leg up. Hold. Hold. Another 3 seconds. 2, 1, release. From here, get your left hand inside the leg and shift your foot out. Get into this position and feel your hips open up. Take your foot as wide as you can, and if you want more of a stretch, come on down to your elbows. You'll really feel the hip open up. If you don't want to come down to your elbows, that's perfectly fine. Hold. We're going to come up. We're going to take the left hand outside the leg and we're going to bend the left leg like this. Again, keep it parallel if you want a deep stretch parallel to the mat. For an easier stretch, turn it back in a little bit like this. And here we're just going to hold. Feel your outer hips stretch. Feel the deep stretch in your hips. Take a few breaths here. And get ready to walk your hands forward. Hold. Come on back up. Release your leg. And now we are going to sit in a cross-legged position. From here, what we are going to do is take the right foot, place it on the left knee. So you have the right foot on top of the left knee, and you start to feel the outer hip open. For a deeper stretch, what we are going to do is walk forward. Hold. Hold in this position. Walk back. We're going to change legs. So, left foot on the right knee, right? And again, you'll start to feel the stretch as you do this, but we want a little deeper stretch, so we are going to walk forward now. Hold. Walk your hands back. Release. Now we are going to place the right knee on top of the left knee. So it's the right knee on top of the left knee, just like this. Now you can stay here if this is enough for you, or if you want a deeper stretch, walk your hands forward. Hold. Release. Same thing on the other side. So this time, left leg on top, right leg bottom. So left knee is on top, right knee is at the bottom. And again, you can stay here and be here, or you can bend forward for a deeper stretch. Walk your hands back. Now we are going to get into a butterfly position and hold here. Going to try to bend forward. Release. In this position, we are just going to flutter our legs a little bit. Just tiny movements to increase the opening of the hips. Keep going. All right. Relax. Bring your knees in, and we are going to lie down on the mat now. We are going to take a spinal twist just to provide a deeper stretch. So knees up at 90 degrees and bend to the right side. There we go. You can look towards the left side for a deeper stretch. Keep breathing. This is not an active hip opener, but it will help you stretch out the waist and the back. I'm on the other side now, so onto your left side. Look to your right side. You can use the left hand to hold your knees down for a deeper stretch. Breathe. Breathe in this position. Release. From here, we are going to grab our feet. So grab your feet and just try to push them down. This is another great opening stretch. Just feel things open up. Okay, relax. What we are going to do now is we are going to adjust yourself on the mat. We are going to grab the right knee and pull it in. Release. Left knee Alright, release. Now we are going to join the bottom of our feet, and we're going to be in this position and just be here. Hold here. You'll feel your hips open with gravity. Gravity, it's doing its job, and you'll feel your hip muscles opening slightly. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. We're going to be here for a few more seconds. Breathe. Alright, straighten out your legs. Your palms should be facing up, and we're just going to relax the body. Relax your breathing. Relax your muscles. Relax your legs, your thighs, your abdomen, your chest, your arms, your neck, your facial muscles. Relax. When you're ready, twist onto your right side. Lift yourself up, and we're going to sit up. So that was your hip opening stretching session. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.